Happy Sabbath, my friends. Welcome back to another Solomon's Time with me, Solomon. Have you ever done something you had to say you were sorry for? It can be hard to say, I'm sorry for what I did. We might say the words, but don't really mean it from our hearts. We don't actually feel sorry or think it was our fault at all. We might even want to hide or blame someone else, maybe the person we hurt. Now, saying sorry is only one part of what God asks us to do when He calls us to live together in unity. Living in unity means that we will always do what's needed to make things right. Now, what if your mom and dad asked you to go make peace? Instead of go say you're sorry, would that look different? Would you feel different? Making peace is an act of love. Our hearts and minds actually have to focus on God's love to make peace. His love helps us make a real change that moves us closer to unity. Making things right can take time because you have to work on a relationship that has been broken. It can feel like a job too big for us, but guess what? God is all about making things new again, and that's called renewal. And our Creator God invites us to His story for the renewal of all people and all creation. And remember, we can trust Him to help us make things right again. But my challenge to you, my friends, is to not just say I'm sorry when you've done something wrong, but work on making peace. That will mend the broken relationship and everybody will feel better. Until next time, I want you to have an awesome week. See you next week, same time, same place at Solomon's Time. And don't forget to subscribe and Happy New Year! Bye!